Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about USDJPY and I'll make a technical analysis on this pair starting from the monthly time frame, which is the higher time frame, down to the daily time frame. So let's start from the monthly time frame. When we look at the USDJPY from the monthly time frame, all we can see is that price is currently reacting at the support level. We can see how price has been bouncing off this level in the previous times, and right now price tested it and bullish price action is envisaged from that level. So the monthly time frame is quite bullish. Now let's take a look at the weekly. When we look at the weekly time frame, what we can see here is that price has recently broken a structure. We can see how price has recently broken this previous resistance level here, and as it is testing it, more bullish price action is required. Also, if we extend this line to the historic chart, we can see how that level has previously served as support here, in which this move to the upside was created. So right now, as after it gets broken, it can also serve as support one more time. So from the weekly time frame, we are bullish too. So let's now take a look at the daily. Here from the daily time frame, all we can see is that price has recently approached resistance level. Okay, we see here has been a major resistance level in this market. All this move to the downside was created away from this level, also this level, and right now price is reacting there. So if we get a break above that level, by then the previous resistance can then turn a support on a retrace to that broken resistance, which will now turn support. Here we can find a good probability to go long. So from the daily time frame, we are still waiting for market to break through the resistance level, and until market breaks the resistance level, price can easily move down lower. So we are anticipating price to break through that level. So what we can do now is to go to intraday time frame and position ourselves for a way to capitalize on the market. So let's now go to H4. Here from the H4 time frame, first thing we can notice here is there is a level here below the price. There's a level here below the price. We can see how here price broke through. Here it serves as a resistance level. So if price falls back to that level, we can go long. So here is a possible pullback support in this market. So if price falls back to that level, we can still go long, since the market is still inclined to the upside. All right, so that is what we anticipate from USDJPY.